Everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Trent with All Things Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 2022 Ram 2500 Laramie turbo diesel 6.7 liter clean CARFAX, one owner, just over 5,000 miles here in a beautiful silver clear coat metallic. As you can see, very beautiful truck here. Let's start in the front here. High intensity headlights. You do have fog lights integrated into the lower bumper here. Tow hooks. You have your chrome billet style grille. So just a nice large truck. This is exactly where performance meets comfort here. Nice like new tires, nice set of Firestones here. We'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a bit. You will notice turn signal indicators integrated in the mirror cap, passive door entry right here into the interior as expected. Beautiful trim level here, Laramie trim level. You got your wood grain, brushed aluminum. You have some nice microfiber here, stitching throughout. Beautiful black leather seats, bolstered right here, very comfortable. You will have power options on both sides. Let's take a look at the used car mechanical check sheet here. Tires are 12/30 seconds all the way around. Brake pads are new, fresh oil change, new cabin air filter, and a fresh PA state inspection. We'd like to make sure the wearables are taken care of before you purchase it, so that way you don't have to put the money into it shortly after purchasing the vehicle. As you can see, nice large crew cab back here, fold down armrest cup holder. You will have a flow through center console with some power options as far as micro USB, USB, and a 115. So let's go ahead and take a look at the bed. 6.5 foot bed here. No drop in or bed liner. That's pretty much up to you whether you want to put one in there. Okay. Nice and clean. You do have 115 back here as well. There's your 4 and 7 pin wiring for your towing gear right here. Let's take a look into the driver area here, guys. A lot of features to go over. All your door locks, windows, mirrors, etc. Everything's powered right here. Your tow mirrors are heated, okay, and you can adjust them right there. Again, power adjusted seats here on the driver's side. You will have brightness and dimming controls for your center cluster, lamp selector. So let's go ahead and take a look. Guys, as you can see, just over 5,000 miles. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the onboard controls. This pad is going to control your center cluster here, and you can display all kinds of information. That background there you can see, we'll get into the settings here in just a bit, but you can actually change that. You have up to 4 themes you can choose from, so that's pretty nice. Okay, you have your manual gear shift here if you choose. Good old column shifter right here and cruise control. Okay, this is equipped with adjustable foot pedals as well. Push button start. There's your 4-wheel drive selector, your neutral tow if you need a flat tow, and then your integrated trailer brake control along with your exhaust brake, tow haul mode, and you can actually turn your front and rear proximity sensors on and off. So let's take a look at the infotainment center here. Nice touchscreen display with a backup camera. Okay, you do have heated seats and a heated wheel. If we go under vehicle features, you can set your theme. Like I said, up to 4 themes. So if we change that, that's just your nice gray right there. And then you have all kinds of other neat themes to choose from. Okay, climate control right down below. We went over this section. You do have some nice storage down below here. Right there, cup holders and that bench. You have a bench seat up front, and that armrest will flip up. Okay, very nice interior, guys. As you can see, still has some of the plastics on it from factory. They did not take that off. Still have some factory tags in here, so almost a brand new vehicle here, guys. You will get 2 keys for your added convenience here at All Things Automotive. This one is equipped with remote start. You do have your rear sliding glass as well, and that can be accessed up here by your lamp, your map lights right there. Integrated garage door openers. Looks like you have illuminated visors on the driver and the passenger side. So let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. All right, guys, under the hood, 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel engine. Nice clean engine bay, no evidence of exhaust or oil leaks or anything like that. Nice healthy sounding engine. Our crew does an amazing job of making these ready for the next buyer. All right, guys, last portion of the video. This is where I'm going to go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this vehicle. Although it is a 2022, it is a pre-owned vehicle. We like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. This is where we like to be transparent as possible. Up front, you will see some minor blemishes here from road wear. On the chrome style grille here, everything looks to be good. Okay, no dents or dings or anything like that, but you will have some minor blemishes here from road wear. Can't really avoid that unless you park it. Don't drive it, okay? Like I said, 12-30 seconds on all the tires, all the way around, okay? Still got your factory undercoat. Everything looks very beautiful here, okay? Mirror cap, you can see just some minor blemishing there. All the way down here, everything looks good. No chips or anything. Definitely no dents or dings. I didn't believe I seen any on there. A couple things here, some light blemishes here on the passenger side, on the bed, okay? You will have some scarring up top from cargo going in and out, and some light scratches in the bed. Nothing crazy, nothing deep or anything like that. Everything's looking good from here, guys. That might be just a piece of hay or something, piece of grass. Other than that, guys, very good looking vehicle here. 2022 with just over 5,000 miles. Okay, very great shape. So if you have any more questions, give us a call here at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224. You can hit option 1 for sales, or you can go to allthingsautomotive.com, shop online 24/7, get yourself pre-approved. Okay, yes, we do take trade-ins. And make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage. Now, this vehicle will have some warranty left from Ram, but you can extend that out for your peace of mind. So again, my name's Trent. Thanks for watching. Just come on out to 21518 Great Cove Road, McCallsburg, Pennsylvania. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video informational. Have a great day.